I'm going to show you everything that comes with the Waitbird Steam Cleaner kit. Now, this is going to have a ton of pieces, you guys, I'm not even going to lie, but everything comes packaged really well, so I was excited about that. After a while, after a couple uses on a couple different products, I wanted to show this on something that actually needed help, not just something that was already basically clean. Here is a shower glass door. It obviously has hard water stains, and I mean hard water stains. So we're going to use the steam cleaner onto the shower glass door today, and we're going to see how it works. This is the handheld unit that heats up to a really high temperature. You can tell pretty quickly once it's ready because the steam starts coming out strong and steady. If the light is still orange, that means it's not ready. Once it turns green, then go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and use the squeegee since it's the glass door. We're going to use the squeegee attachment. Now, we started on the glass using one of the smaller attachments so you can really focus on the stained areas. As soon as the steam hits the glass, you can see it loosening that cloudy buildup. I didn't have to scrub nearly as hard as I usually do. What I like is that it's just steam. It's no harsh chemicals. That makes it easier to use in a bathroom without worrying about fumes or residue. I worked section by section, holding the steamer close to the glass and slowly moving it across the surface. The steam softens the hard water stains so you can wipe them away instead of fighting them. Is this something you want to rush through? Probably not. If you have hard water stains like this, you want to take your time. All of the attachments are actually useful. They're not just extras. Being able to switch tips helps you get into the edges, the corners, along the door frame where the buildup likes to hide. The glass looks clearer and it feels clean. It's not streaky or coated. That's usually the hardest part with hard water stains. This would also be really handy for grout, tiles, sinks, and other areas where soap scum or mineral buildup collects. It's powerful, but it's still easy to control. We were sent this to test out, and overall this made cleaning the shower glass faster and a lot less frustrating.